Today we have a delicious dry chicken dish that's packed with rich aromatic spices. Get ready for chicken chukka. Let's get started on this mouth-watering recipe. Take the chicken in a bowl. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic over the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix well. Let it marinate for half an hour. Heat a pan and add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Roast it until golden brown, stirring occasionally. Dish out and set aside. In the same pan, add 3 tablespoons each of coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 6 to 7 cardamom pods, 8 to 10 cloves, and a 3 to 4 inch cinnamon stick. Roast the spices on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Dish out and set aside. Add 10 whole red chilies and a small piece of tamarind to the pan. Roast briefly and set aside. Once cooled, transfer all the roasted spices, coconut, red chilies, and tamarind into a grinder jar. Add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder to the jar and grind them into a fine powder. Heat 5 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. Add 2 medium-sized chopped onions and saute until golden brown. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. Add the marinated chicken to the kadai and mix well. Cover the lid and let it cook on medium flame for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Sprinkle in the prepared masala and mix well. Adjust the salt if needed. Add half a cup of curd and cook until all the water from the chicken has dried up. Once the masala is well coated with the chicken, garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot. And there you have it, chicken chukka, a flavorful aromatic dish that's sure to impress. If you enjoyed this recipe, share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for joining and happy cooking.